This home is located perfectly between the DFW Airport and Glade Park shopping and dining, all just minutes away. Grapevine-Colleyville ISD. Well-maintained, beautiful mid-century modern home in a great location. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1-store home. Nice floor plan with large living room and mini bar. Wood-burning fireplace. Vaulted ceiling in master bedroom and living room. Ceiling fans and light fixtures throughout the house. Master bathroom features a resealed skylight for added natural lighting. Large-sized backyard. Don't miss this one.